Hey, this is Rob, and I just want to show you how you might make a 3D kind of extrusion of a floor plan. This isn't really to be super accurate, like for architecture or anything, but it could be. This is really just to kind of visualize something from a 2D drawing. So the first thing I do is go to the Insert menu and choose Attached Canvas. And then I could select the face that I want to put it on. I'll just choose the top plane. And for the image, I'll select a floor plan that I got from the internet. I'll choose display through. That's normally handy here so that we can see it through whatever we're drawing. And then that's about it. I'll hit OK. There it is. And the first thing I want to do is calibrate it. So it has some dimensions on it, and that's going to be useful. Since it's all in feet, I might change my units to feet to start out with. And then I'll right click on that canvas in the browser and choose calibrate. So I know that this dimension here is supposed to be from that point to that point. Well, that's a bit of a problem because it's at an angle. So let me try that again. I'll right click here, choose calibrate, and I'll just choose right here from this point to, let's say, this point out here. I could get a lot closer and it would be more accurate, but in this case it's fine. I'll just put 7 feet since that's what it says the dimension should be, and I'll just hit enter, and I can hit F6 to zoom out, and that should be it. This should be at the right scale now. So the next thing I'll do is create a sketch on that top work plane and start drawing this thing out. So I've completed a profile. You can see it's changed colors here. I'll hit stop sketch, but actually before I do that, let me hit escape, choose dimension, and just choose some other dimension like this one and see if it looks right. So 3.5301, that's about 3.5 feet, which looks like it's going to work. So I'll hit stop sketch, and I should be able to hide the canvas at this point and see the profile that I made. And what I can do here is just extrude, choose that profile, and then drag it up to whatever, 8 feet, and hit OK. So now I've got my little room, and I could put a floor in there somehow. I could add some furniture in there or whatever. Maybe I could render it using the render workspace. But that's a way to get started making something that looks like a 3D version of a 2D floor plan drawing.